In this video, I want to talk about how many times should I practice Qi Gong every day? It's a big question. Should you be doing it every day? Should you be doing it twice, 3 times a day? These are big questions. So let's answer that question first. How often should I do Qi Gong? You can practice Qi Gong once or twice a day, as many times as you want a day, short breaks. But even once a day is enough to begin feeling the benefits. For most beginners, consistency matters far more than frequency. A short, gentle session done regularly will support your body more than longer, irregular practice. A simple approach for you might be once a day to build a steady habit, or twice a day if it feels natural and not forced. The idea of Qi Gong, you don't force anything, everything's soft. There is an action, but you want to, once you finish the action, you soften the body with the mind very quickly. So morning practice can help you feel more grounded and clear. Evening practice can help your body settle and release tension from the day. If you're just starting, keep it small. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. As your body becomes more familiar with the practice, you may naturally feel drawn to do more. The key is to listen to your body. If it feels supportive, continue. If it feels like pressure, soften and reduce. Over time, this gentle consistency helps regulate your energy, calm your nervous system, and create a more stable sense of well-being. So that's really how often should you practice Qi Gong. It's really down to you. But if you want to get the benefits of it a little bit quicker, every day really, but soft, short bursts. You don't have to do hours and hours and hours of it. It's not like that conventional exercise of really straining the body. What you're doing is getting full joint rotation, full stretchings on the meridian so the energy can flow through the body. You're deepening your breath, you're soothing and regulating your nervous system back to where it should be rather than this stressed, tense state, because we have these stresses on the body, chemical, physical and emotional. You're losing those over time. And then you can go deeper if you want to go into strengthening and all of that. You can do that. You strengthen the body. You can become more flexible with Qi Gong. It's such a deep practice. There's so many different levels to it. So really, it's as much as you want to do with it, or as little as you want to do with it. But really, it becomes addictive because it feels good, right? So if you want to go deeper with me, let's have a look at what you can do. There's a Qi Gong for Beginners guide there, the complete guide to energy, health and inner balance. That will let you know everything about Qi Gong and what it's all about. The healing power of Qi Gong, ancient practice, modern benefits. We have now modern science really going along with what our ancestors taught with this Qi Gong practice. Water up, fire down is a very classic example of cool head, warm belly. Your brain, it works best when it's cool, and your belly works best when it's warm, which is water up, fire down. But also there's live online Qi Gong classes here where you can join us at the Bright Beings Academy in the UK. The UK times are 11 AM, Sunday mornings and 7 PM, Thursday evenings, and there is a very low investment for a very high impact on your body. You can do that. It's amazing. If you can stick to classes a week, the people that I speak to, just go to my Google reviews. You'll see all the reviews I'm getting through the Bright Beings Academy. It is amazing. People are transforming and I love it. I actually love it when people do. So that's important. So if you want to go deeper, just click the link in the description. You go through to this page. You can go through to the Bright Beings Academy, which is what this page is on, and you can choose your free membership. You can go to the articles, deepen your practice with it, or you can come and join us with the live classes, which would be fabulous to have you there. Or if you're in the local Kingston area, I do have classes in that area as well, so you can join me in the flesh with Qi Gong. I look forward to connecting with you again in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.